Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is the circumference of a given circular park is 88 meter. It is surrounded by a path of uniform width 3.5 meter. Find the area of the path. Now first let's see the picture. This is a circular park whose circumference is given. The circumference of this park is 88 meters. Now this park is surrounded by a path of uniform width 3.5 meter. That means it is surrounded by all the side by a path which is 3.5 meter in width. You have to find the area of this path. Now what will be the area of this path? Area of this path will be outer circle, this circle, minus area of inner circle. So first we will write here area of path will be area of outer circle, draw the figure and show, and area of inner circle. Fine. Now what will be the radius of the inner circle? Now we know circumference is 2 pi r, right? So 88 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So r is 88, in 7 goes up and 2 and 22 comes down. So this is the case. 8, 2, 4, 2. So what is the radius of circular park? What is the radius of circular park or inner circle? Right? The radius is 14 meter. Now it is surrounded by a path of width 3.5 meter. So what this much is your 14 and this much is 3.5. So what will be the radius of outer circle? Radius of outer circle will be 14 plus 3.5, right? So this will become 17.5. Now what we have to find? Area of the path. So this is what we have to find. So area of path will be area of outer circle, that is pi, let it be r square minus pi r small r square, right? Pi common, r square minus r square, where r is the radius of outer circle and small r is the radius of inner circle. Fine. So now this will become pi r is outer circle is 17.5, right? So 17.5 का square minus 14 का square. This is your required area. So now let's see 17.5. You can do it as a square minus b square form also, that is a minus b into a plus b. Fine. That will become 17.5 minus 14 into 17.5 plus 14. Why so? I'll just write here a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. Fine. So a is 17.5 and b is 14. So a minus b and a plus b. Pi is 22 by 7. 17.5 minus 14.5 will become 0.5. 7 minus 4, 3. 3.5 and this will be 0.5 and 17 plus 14. 11 to 31.5. Right? Now this is, you have to solve this. This decimal will get cancel, or you have to remove the decimal, so you'll divide by 10. This decimal is removed, so divide by 10. 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 11, right? Now this you can get it can get cancelled with 5, 5 2s are 10, 6 5s are 33, 63 into 11 divided by 2. This will come out as your 346.5 meter square. So this is the area of the path. Area of the path is area of outer circle minus area of the inner circle. The radius of the inner circle was 14, and the area of the outer circle will be 14 plus 3.5, that is the width. And then put it in the formula, pi r square minus pi r square, and calculate it.